Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best RV tankless water heaters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best RV tankless water heaters that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Camplux Outdoor Portable Propane Tankless Water Heater. The Camplux is a propane RV tankless water heater that uses regular propane gas as a power source. One of the main advantages of this is that it is a cheap source that will not cost you too much, as it is quite affordable. In addition, the manufacturer made it so that you can purchase the Camplux in different numbers, up to a pack of 20 if you need that many. However, it will cost you. What we like about this tankless water heater is that it comes with many technologies inside that makes it an extremely efficient model to use. Indeed, it has a flame failure mechanism that will automatically shut off the water heater in case of misfire. Additionally, the anti-freeze protection makes it an efficient water heater to run during a cold winter. With its 1.32 GPM water flow, this model is able to provide you with a constant flow of water and will work efficiently even if you have a low water pressure, as this water heater can work with a minimum of 2.5 psi water pressure. The only caveat with this unit is that the build construction could have been a little bit better. However, considering its very affordable price, this is easily forgivable, and most RV propane tankless water heater reviews online rate it quite highly. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ecotemp Portable Tankless Water Heater. The Ecotemp L10 is a heavy-duty RV tankless water heater that runs with propane gas. One of the best features of this model is that it can work with a low water pressure of 20 psi, and due to its high water flow of 2.6 GPM, this water heater is able to heat water in a matter of seconds. There is simply no wait time with this unit. Best of all, installation is quite easy as everything is clearly marked. Although, we recommend that you get the job done by a professional for safety reasons. At the top of the Ecotemp L10 is a large exhaust that will get rid of all dangerous gases produced by the water heater during operation. Additionally, this model has a safety shut-off feature that will automatically turn off the water heater after 20 minutes of use. This makes it an ideal water heater not only for RVs but for home as well. It is definitely one of the best RV instant hot water heater out there. However, it may be difficult to get a warranty on this heater if you get a defective model. But on the plus side, it has a decent and tough build that limits of risk of it getting defective in the immediate future. At number 3, we have the Ecotemp i12LP 4 GPM RV Tankless Water Heater. The Camplux BW264 Tankless Water Heater was designed with camping and RV vacationing in mind. It can be mounted outdoors or indoors so long as there is some type of ventilated flue pipe to direct the exhaust gases of the propane flame. The ignition system is linked to a pair of D-cell alkaline batteries, which lets you truly run this quiet tankless water heater off the grid. It's rated to produce a comfortable 2.64 gallons of hot water per minute heated by the 68,000 BTU propane burners. This tankless water heater doesn't come with a water pump included but will work with most standard 12-volt water pumps. Camplux also offers its own 1.6 GPM flow rate 12-volt pump that was specifically designed to work with this model. The Camplux BW264 also has an Eco full switch function, which helps you to use less propane in the summer months. It also works great with Camplux 12 volts 1.6 GPM water pump. It was also engineered with dry combustion protection, as well as a special flame failure device, and anti-freezing protection. At number 2, We have the EcoSmart Eco 11 electric tankless water heater. The EcoSmart is a popular model that is highly rated by many electric RV tankless water heater reviews online. The reason is quite simple. This model simply works and comes in a wide range of styles and sizes to suit your need and purpose. The EcoSmart 11 can heat up to 1.5 gallons per minute, which is more than enough for a casual shower. In addition, this model uses internal technologies that allow you to save more water and therefore, greatly increases the efficiency of this electric heater. In fact, the manufacturer claims that it can save you up to 50% of your water heating costs. Note that this is a 240 volts electric water heater and you will need a converter if your RV outputs 120 volts to make this unit operational. But one of the best things that we like about this product is that it works just like a regular shower, providing you with a lot of control over the water temperature as well as over the water flow. All in all, if you need a 240 volts electric heater for your RV, the EcoSmart 11 is one of the best electric RV tankless water heater, especially that it can be used in the home as well. We highly recommend it even if the price is a little high. And finally at number 1. We have the Bosch electric mini tank water heater. The Bosch Tronic 3000T is a small and compact electric tankless heater for RV. Indeed, this mini water heater uses 120 volts and 12A to heat up the water, and it is very efficient in operation. This is not a problem as most RVs are able to output this type of power capacity. In addition, this model has a power capacity of 1440 watts, which makes it a very powerful water heater that can even rival the capacity and power of your home electric shower water heater. Indeed, its capacity of 7 gallons makes it able to have a constant reserve of hot water, so you do not have to wait for the Bosch Tronic 3000T to heat the water. Therefore, it creates a seamless shower experience. Simply turn this mini tank water heater on and you will instantly get hot water. One of the best things about this model is that it can be installed both horizontally and vertically for more installation flexibility. When installed horizontally, it has a 5.1 gallons water capacity and vertically, a 7 gallons capacity. Furthermore, there are dedicated wall mount brackets at the back for an easy installation. The only caveats we note with this top-rated RV tankless water heater is that it may not be as durable as other models and it requires a fair bit of electricity to work. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.